Hey, how you doing? Rich from Newschoolpiano. Machine Gun Kelly just came out with Drunk Face, a new song, 4-chord song. Here's a real quick one. It's basically B flat to E flat to G minor to F. And he does this little riff, like the guitar is actually going. He's mixing up the chords a little bit. There's some like studio magic going on, but basically it's really droning on this F, and it sounds, the way I can simulate it on piano is like this. Alright, so basically just, again, it's a B flat inverted. So B flat chord is normally that. B flat, D, and F. We're just going to play it inverted down low. This is middle C. We're going to go down because we're kind of chunking like a guitar. So there's the same B flat, except we just put the B flat on top. Second chord is E flat, which is E flat, G and B flat. And then we did a G minor, which a normal G minor would be this. G, B flat, D. All we're doing is moving that D down there. Okay, that's a G minor. And then we're going to play the final chord, which is an F. And a normal F would be this. F, A, C. We're taking the C and putting it down there. Looks like this. And like when you see me vamping, I'm just taking those same 4 basic chords, and I'm just kind of adding a little rhythm to simulate what a guitar player would do. A guitar player is sitting there, chunking away, rhythm playing. We're going to do that with keys. All right, so as you go along, just take the 4 basic chords. And try to add, like, almost like you're playing drums, See how I'm kind of just like double hitting it like that? Try playing around with that. Rewind this. Hey, there's a great thing on YouTube. You can actually use the slow down feature. In your settings, you can actually slow the speed of what I'm playing down. Look for it in your playback unit on YouTube. It's a great way to see my hands slower. Any questions, feel free to comment. Thanks again for watching, and please subscribe to Newschoolpiano. Thanks.